Hey guys, Jared Belfort for 5th Gen Rams. Today we're going to check out our friend Charles's Rebel TRX, basically, that he built at home. Now, some of you guys may remember this truck from a video that we did back in late September, early October, where he brought the truck out to our friend Dave's event at Grand Bend Motorplex. Now, we took a quick look at that truck. Really awesome build. Unfortunately, he broke one of the axles while him and I were actually drag racing. So since then, he's fixed a lot of things with the truck, found a lot of issues with the tune and stuff like that. He said this thing is perfect, good to go now. So we're gonna go check it out and we're gonna take it for a drive today. So it should be a pretty exciting day. So we are in Charles's Hellcat powered Ram Rebel. You guys might remember this truck from back in late September, early October, when he brought it out to our friend Dave's SRT Hayes Demon event in Grand Bend Motorplex, where unfortunately he broke one front and one rear axle when he was racing me in the Trackhawk. Holy shit. So, what's happened to the truck since then? He took it down to OST Dyno in Pennsylvania. They redid the whole dyno tune. The truck is running much, much better than it was at the time. As for the axle situation, they added some control arms from Core 4x4 Off-Road, which stopped all the wheel hop, and is actually, this truck is now living with the stock axles without breaking them, and it's putting down a good amount of power. Just listen to this thing when you get on the throttle. This truck is a handful. But it's so well sorted out that this feels like driving a stock truck with a whole lot of extra power. Even putting my foot into it, it wags the tail around, but it keeps going straight. It's actually really manageable, which is nice. So if you missed the first video on this truck, what's done to it? Well, it started off as a 2019 Ram Rebel with the 12-inch screen. It's got the air suspension, which has been tricked with leveling links to give it the extra ride height. It's got the Fiberworks wide body fender kit on it for the front fenders and the bed sides. It's got a set of 37-inch Nitto tires on a nice set of fuel wheels. Other than that, it's pretty much just a drop-in Hellcat swap that they did with Jared at America's Most Wanted 4x4. They've changed the upper pulley, put the tune in it. It still has the stock 8 HP 75 transmission, and just refining it over the last few months, refining the tune, getting everything dialed in, this truck now runs great. So we all know that the Ram Rebel TRX is coming. The first spy photos finally surfaced of it in the production body, but in full camo, just a few weeks ago. And if this truck is anything like what you can expect when we see the TRX, man, it's gonna be good. So let's try a little launch here and see how this thing puts the power down. This thing is so much fun. Of course, I've got to give a really big thanks to my buddy Charles for letting me get behind the wheel of his Hellcat powered Rebel. Make sure you guys check him out on Instagram. That guy from BR. I'm going to have that just down below here. But kudos to him on a very, very impressive build. This truck really, now that it's all sorted out, acts and drives like a stock Ram 1500 with a whole ton of extra power. It is a lot of fun. A lot of fun. So big thanks to him. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to tune in for more. We've got a lot more stuff coming your way. Take care.